60 and all that when it goes into
Yeah?
it. Yeah, because that's when it was going sluggish. Unless it's already relearned itself now. Because when I took it out on the road just a little bit ago.
You see this?
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
Alright, watch. So go here. This is up to 40. Then from 42. Right now we're like at 80. See?
Yeah.
No, you can feel it, you see?
Yeah. I think that's what it did, and it just relearned itself now.
Yeah.
Because it was like when I got out there, it was just feeling a little sluggish. I was like, bro. Yeah. You more aggressive than I am on my car, bro. I don't drive my car this hard.
Oh,
Damn.
but you got this, huh?
Yeah, she moving. She definitely moving. So much louder, too.
Oh, yes. Told you. Because I drove it, man. It was like a lot louder and a lot faster.
Yeah,
I felt it.
definitely.
No, overall, I'm an aggressive driver.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my cousin, he just bought a Range Rover.
Uh-huh.
Like the SLR type of shit, like sports with the fucking 500 some horsepower.
Uh-huh.
So he drove the car. I'm like, okay, let me drive it too, you know? He's like, okay, you want to test drive? I'm like, yeah, sure. He sat down, he's like, please, 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 let me get down. That's how you drive the car, man. It's supposed to drive it. Because otherwise, what's the fun about it, right?
Yeah?
People are scared, but like, shit,
Only thing I'd be scared of is the fact that since this real-world drive, losing control. That's all.
yeah.
Because, I mean, the wet and everything, get on the tires. But, I mean, you live it like YOLO. Oh, man. I never wear my seatbelt, but yeah, I actually did wear my seatbelt for this one.